what exactly is Groove Funnels used for? You've probably heard that Groove is an all-in-one complete CRM digital marketing platform. What we mean by that is that you can use it to start and run a business with tools all online marketers need. You can grow your company, make money online, learn new skills. And also for beginners, if you want to get started with no product, service or experience, it comes with a built-in business opportunity, which is our affiliate program. Take a look at some of these tools. We've got Groove Pages, where you can build your website, your landing pages, your marketing funnels. Groove Cart allows you to create your own e-commerce store. With Groove Member, you can build your own membership site and create your online courses. Use Groove Mail for list building, email marketing, and lead generation. With Groove Affiliate, you can recruit your own army of affiliates to promote for you and your products. And that's not to mention Groove Blog, Groove Video, Groove Webinar, and Groove Stream. There are multiple tools for you to promote your sites, stores, courses, and more. These are all tools that are needed and used by online marketers in their businesses, and third-party services charge up to hundreds a month for even just one of these platforms. Because Groove combines them all, you can save thousands of dollars per year on software costs. Not just that, you can use it for free, along with free education for anyone who wants to learn how to get started online. Wait until you see the Software Developers Kit coming soon.